Hi students, welcome back to another video session related to SQL. The topic is set operators in SQL. Let us discuss one by one. First, what is set operator? What is set operators? So set operators means set operator combine the result of two queries into a single result. So what are the set operators we have? Union, all, intersect, and minus. So we have four different types of set operators: union, all, intersect, and minus. Let us discuss one by one. So what is union? So union performs to combine two tables having same types. It eliminates duplication. It does not allow the duplication. It eliminates the duplication. So what is the general form? So we have to write the query 1 union query 2. Query 1 union query 2. So what is the difference between join and the union? Both join and union can be used to combine data from one or more tables. Into a single table or result. Both perform the same task, but the difference is the union can perform on the same data, but join is used to combine from different tables. That is the main difference between union and the join. So the union performing only on the same data, same types, but join is performed on different tables. That is the main difference between union and the join. So next one, union all. Union all. The union all performs the same operation like union, but it allows duplicate values. It allows duplicate values. So that is the main difference between union and union all. In union it eliminates the duplication, but whereas in union all it allows the duplication. Okay, the common to combine the two tables by using union and union all. Next one is intersect. So what is intersect operation? The intersect operation displays the common rows between the two tables. Common rows between two tables. So what is the query here? Query 1 intersect query 2. Next one is minus. So minus. So the minus is used to eliminate the two common rows and displays the first table information with the help of minus. So it denotes the query 1 minus query 2. So let us how to work these queries: union all, intersect and minus. So open the SQL command line prompt. First you have to connect with the database. Connect. The username is system and the password is also system. Yes, the database is connected. So first we have to create two tables. First one is the customer 1 and customer 2. I already created the two tables. So just I am selecting the two tables. Select star from table name, that is customer 1. So this is the customer 1 table. So next table, customer 2 table, customer 2. So these are the two tables. So now I want to combine these two tables. First apply the union. So first query, select star from customer 1 union, select star from customer 2. So it eliminates the duplication. So the duplication is not allowed in this customer 1 and customer. The duplicate rows are 2, 3. So the duplication is not allowed in this table. It displays 8 rows without having any duplicates. So if you have the data with duplication, then you have to use union all. So let us execute the query. So select star from customer 1 union all, select star from customer 2. So without duplicates, the data will be displayed with the help of union all. So duplications is allowed in union all. Without duplicates, union is used. With the duplicates, we have to use union all. So the next command is select insert intersect command. Select star from customer 1 intersect so select select star from customer 1 intersect select star from customer 2. The common rows will be displayed on your screen. Only common rows are displayed with the help of intersect. Only the common rows will be displayed. Another one is so select star from customer 1 minus select star from customer 2. So the common rows will be eliminated and only the data of first table will be displayed on your screen. Okay, the minus in both the tables the common rows are displayed and the only data presented in the first table can be displayed on your screen. So this is the set operators presented in the SQL. One is union, another one is the union all, and next one intersect and the minus. I hope you are understood this topic. Thank you for watching this video.